So let's see that how you can post the photos, videos or text on your Instagram threads. You may have recently joined Instagram threads and you may don't know the basic features, but you don't have to worry because I'm right here for teaching that how you can post on threads. So for that purpose, you have to first of all open the threads app, and next you have to tap on this pen paper icon in the middle of the screen. So tap on this icon here, and for attaching a photo or video from your gallery, just tap this paper pin button here and your gallery will be opened as soon as you allow access to all photos. And from here you have to select the photo that you want to post. For example, if I choose this photo from here and press the add button, then this photo will be uploaded and you can write anything like, "Hi, this is my laptop." From here you can choose the privacy settings. If you tap the your followers can reply button, tap on it and you can select who to share or show this post. For example, if I choose profile you follow, then this post will be only shown to the people I follow on threads. So after that, just press the post button and your post will be alive on your threads account. And if I go to my profile, then here I can see the posted photo. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.